Okay friends, to get started, one of the first things we need to do is safely raise and support the vehicle. After that, let's go ahead and remove this center cover and then remove all 6 of our 21mm lug nuts. Remove your wheel. Now that we have the wheel off of here, we have a nice clear view of our sway bar link. What we want to do is use a wrench right on the back side right here. It should fit right in, a 17mm. That's going to hold the stud from spinning. After that, we're going to remove the nut. There we are. We'll do the same to the lower one. All right, for this lower one, let's go ahead and use some locking pliers on the backside to hold that stud and remove the nut. There it is, friends. All right, friends, now it's going to be time to get our brand new sway bar link up in there. One thing that I want to mention real quick is you're going to notice there's an upper end, which has the nut side that you can grab onto with a wrench, and then the lower end, which kind of has the round circle, which is also going to be where this is going to go. Let's start with the top. Start on one of those nuts. Now let's go ahead and get this plastic piece on the bottom. Should just kind of click right on there, and the gap, of course, is going to go where this shaft is. Let's go ahead and start this in here as well. Awesome. Now let's switch up the tools we're using a little bit. We're going to go ahead and hold the stud right here with a socket and a ratchet, and then we'll turn the nut so it's bottomed out with the wrench. Okay, it's bottomed out. Do the same to the other one. Now let's go ahead and torque down those nuts to 20 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and get our wheel back up on here, start all of our lug nuts, and then we'll torque them to manufacturer specifications. Now with the wheel just barely touching the ground, let's go ahead and torque our lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds. Get our center cover back on there, lower it down, take it for a road test.